I guess rolling forward a little bit more. There's a very I think, well-known article that you wrote on your Blicky called "Is Design Dead?" Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, that predates the Agile Manifesto. It was something. It was really me trying to make sense of what I saw with Kent's very evolutionary approach to software development, to the design stage in development. And so what like many of the best things I've written, I didn't really understand what I was writing about until I wrote it, right? The best writing for me is where I don't really fully understand something and I'm working it through by trying to make sense of it in my writing. And that came through with a notion of saying, well, if you're thinking of software design, you can either plan your design before you program, and I'm not necessarily saying spend 6 months to do design and before you program. I'm talking even at the weeks level, right? But you design first, then implement it. Or you can kind of do what bad people do and just kind of mix up the design and the programming as you go. And I said bad people because of the sense of, well, you're not really thinking it through properly in that sense. But if, on the other hand, you have an environment that makes that programming and design work together,